my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a home screen layout after like 2 videos of not doing it because I don't know why I didn't do it, but as you guys can see that I've changed my home screen layout, and that's why I've kind of been putting the video off because I knew I was going to do something with my home screen because I didn't really like the way it looked originally. So yeah, so I changed it a bit. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and I forgot to mention that in order to make your home screen look like this, you need an iPhone and you need iOS 14. It's the only way I know. I don't know if you could do something like this on an Android, but I know on an iPhone you need iOS 14. So I think only some of the most newer phones have it. I don't think like iPhone 5 or anything like that has it, and only some iPads have it. So if you don't have the iOS 14, then unfortunately you won't be able to do this. So yeah, let's get started. So the apps I'm going to be using are Pinterest, Shortcuts, and Widgetsmith. So yeah, I kind of forgot. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a background. And for the background, I just went on Pinterest and, oh, see, that looks so lovely. And you can just search up the theme you want to do. Obviously, my theme is like beige, I guess you could say. So I would search up beige aesthetic wallpaper. And you could just do like a, I don't know, pink aesthetic wallpaper or yellow aesthetic wallpaper. But since my home screen is beige, I'm going to be doing beige. So you could just select a wallpaper. I like the one I have right now, which is this one. It looks like this. And okay, next what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to make these apps like with different icons and things like that. So what I did here is I put my most used apps on my home screen and the rest are just here. So you could do that as well, or you could just like make the first page aesthetic or something and the second page just all apps. So what you need to do is you need to go onto Safari or Pinterest and you're going to pick an app. Say I picked Roblox. So I would go on Safari and I'm going to search up Roblox beige icons. And then you'll just find one. So I like this. And then you're going to go onto the app Shortcuts. And at the top, there is a plus button. So you're going to click that. Then you're going to click Add Action. And over here, there's a search bar. And you're going to search for Open App. And it's going to look something like this, like with the colored squares and things like that. So you're going to click that. Then you're going to click Choose. It's beside the word Open. And you're going to search for an app. So I picked Roblox. So I'm going to search for Roblox. And then what you're going to do is you are going to click, you're going to click this word Next. Okay, and then you're gonna name it. So mine is Roblox. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click oh my god, what just happened? These 3 dots. So you're gonna click that. And then you're going to add a name. So you could just add anything here. It doesn't really matter. Then you're going to click this add to home screen. And then new shortcut. And here's where you put the real name. So you could like put spaces in between or something like that. Or you could put like in all caps. Or you can use a font. But I'm just going to go simple. Roblox. And then you're going to click this icon. It has like these 2 paper thingamajiggies, and it's just going to be a random color. So you're going to click that, and then you can click take photo, choose photo, or choose file. So if you saved your photo from Safari or something, then you're obviously going to pick choose photo. Then you're going to click the photo you just chose, and you can zoom in and just do things you want. But I'm just going to keep it like that. And then you're going to click choose, and then at the top you're going to click add, then done. So here's Roblox, and if you're wondering like, oh, but like I have in like a Roblox already, so why do I have two now? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to click this, then remove app, and then remove from home screen. Do not click delete app. That's going to delete the app. Just click remove from home screen. Because if you delete the app, then this shortcut won't work either. And you don't want that to happen. So don't delete the app, just move it to your library or whatever. So that's like how to get cool icons. And now I'm going to show you guys how to get this like image and this little weak thing, I guess. So for this, the app you're going to do is Widget Smith. Yeah. And for this, you don't need to save a photo, I think. Or actually, you do. So if you want one of these, where it's a small number 1, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to go onto Pinterest, or like Safari, and you could just search up the color, like pink photo, or yellow photo, or orange photo. But I like this, so I'm going to save that. And then you're going to go into Widget Smith, and you're going to click Add Small Widget, and click on the little icon. Then you're going to click right in the middle of the icon, like over here. Right over here. You see that? Yep. Right about there. And then you're going to scroll down until you see this thing that says photo. Or you can choose photo in albums, which that will like change the photo every day. But I just like photo. Then at the bottom, you're going to click selected photo. Choose photo. But the only thing I don't like about this, never mind. And then you're just going to adjust this. No, I don't like that. I don't understand what to do. Okay, whatever. Then you're going to click save. And on your home screen, you're just going to press in the middle of nowhere. Just like, you can just press like just anywhere. I'm very bad at explaining, but you can just press until all the apps start moving. And at the top, there is a plus button. So you're going to click the plus button. Then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the Widget Smith app. Then you're going to select the widget you made. So I obviously made a small one. You can make a medium or a large one, but small. And yeah, there you go. Then you have it. But if it's the wrong photo, then you just tap on it. Or no, you don't tap on it actually. You long press and then you click edit. And then you can click which one you want, but I want this one. And there you go. Now for the date, you're going to click on either medium or large. Let's just do large. Actually, no, I'm going to do medium. Because I don't like medium. And then you're just going to click on it, and you can just click whatever you want. What should I want? What do I want? I don't really know what I want. Maybe the time. Or no, I don't want the time. I don't know what I want. Okay, I'll do this. And I'm gonna select a photo. Okay, and then you're gonna just save it. And then you can do the same step you did for the other one. But this one, go into either medium or large. So add medium, and then see it's the wrong one. So you're going to click on it, edit, and select the second one. Oh, okay, so I deleted the photo from my camera roll. That's why it isn't showing up. But I hope you get the point. That just really failed. Hold up. It should show up. There we go. You see, you might like have to rename it or something. But that's that. I don't really like the way the photo looks because it looks like there's a strand of hair. I don't know why. So you can like do whatever you want with it. But once again, don't delete the apps or else everything you made from it will also be deleted. Like all this could be deleted. But that's it for now, and I'm going to finish doing like this side of the home screen, and I'll be back after I am done. Okay, so I finally finished. It was really like tricky to figure out where to put them, but I feel like this looks fine. It doesn't really matter how it looks, because this is the second page, and we're going to focus on this page that actually looks good. But it just looked kind of weird that these have like actual icons on them and these are just blank. And I tried to fix it, but it just doesn't work. So we're just gonna leave it, I guess. It's fine. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned how I do my home screen. And yeah.